Here's the A, A7 to D. In the lesson looking at the A major chord, we learned the shape like this, using the 2nd, 3rd and 4th fingers at the 2nd fret on the D string, the G string and the B string. Now I feel for the A 7th chord, this shape that you see here is the best, because all we're doing is we are lifting the 4th finger up, we are putting the 3rd finger on the 2nd fret, so replacing the 4th finger. The G string is now open and we get this sound. Now I feel this is the best shape for beginners, because to go to the D chord, all you need to do now is lift up the 2nd finger, slide up 1 fret with your 3rd finger and then put the rest of the shape on. So that finger there, that 3rd fret, is kind of an anchor. It's keeping you attached to the fretboard so you're not all over the place. And so, as I said, this makes the change from A7 to D easier. There's your A7, lift up, slide up, put the rest of the chord on, and there you go.